everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a bee, so let's start. Draw the circle for the face, then the body. Make ovals for the eyes. Make cute eyes. And cheeks, and the smile, and the eyelashes. Make antennae, and the wings. Finally, you can make stripes. Make 3 stripes. Colored stripes black. Color to be yellow. In the last, we're going to make the triangle for the stinger. Color the cheeks pink. Make the cheeks. Does it look cute? Make sure you subscribe my channel. Color the wing blue. Now make the other wing. Color the antennae yellow. Make 3 branches. Leaves. After making 3 branches, you're gonna make 1 bump hair, another hair, another hair, another hair, another hair, another hair, another hair, and the mop. Make lines. Now oval. Make a long oval. Color it. Color the beehive yellow. Color the tree branches brown and the leaves green. It is finished. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe.